Hi there! By now, you've learned that there are several different ways to express future time. How about a quick review? Both will and be going to are used to express predictions. They have the same meaning in this context. Jane will be a famous singer someday. Jane is going to be a famous singer someday. For prior plans, it is better to use be going to. I'm going to study tonight. I made my plans before I said that sentence. If you make a decision at the moment of speaking, use will. You look thirsty. I'll get you some water. I decided at this moment to get some water. The present progressive is similar to be going to. It can be used for planned events in the future. I'm going to work tomorrow. I'm working tomorrow. I'm going to take 5 classes next semester. I'm taking 5 classes next semester. We can understand it's in the future because of the context. We often use future time words. The simple present can express future time when the future events are on a definite schedule or timetable. Only a few verbs can be used this way. Some examples are open, close, begin, end, start, finish, arrive, leave, come, and return. Take a look at these examples. His flight arrives at 9 tomorrow. Classes begin in 2 months. The store opens in 2 hours. The future progressive shows an activity will be in progress at a time in the future. We can use will or be going to in the future progressive. So you can say, don't call me this weekend. I'll be studying for my grammar test. Or, I'm going to be studying for my grammar test. The future perfect shows a verb will be completed before another time or event in the future. By the time you finish this lesson, you will have reviewed all of the ways to express the future. The future perfect progressive is similar to the future perfect, but it emphasizes the duration of the activity that was in progress. It usually shows that the verb continued up until the moment that something else happened in the future. Imagine it's 10 o'clock now, and you've been studying for an hour. I can say, by 11 o'clock, you will have been studying for 2 hours. This sentence shows that you will continue to study all the way up till 11 o'clock. Nice job! I'll see you again soon.